So I calculated how many cookies I should have, but then there are the reindeer, and I have to split them up between 9 reindeer and myself. I think we need to learn how to divide by 10.
That's what we will do today then. We'll learn how to divide by 10.
What happened to that man who stepped on the seed?
I don't know. What happened to the man who stepped on the seed?
He got a bad case of mistletoe.
I should have known.
You should.
I really don't know how many more of those dreadful jokes of his I could put up with. Oh, I'm terribly sorry. Yes. In today's lesson, you are going to be able to recognize and use the division and equal signs correctly. You will also be able to begin to understand that multiplication and division are opposites. Finally, you are going to be able to use what you know about multiplication to help you divide. Now, if we can forget that awful joke of Santa's, we can start the lesson. All right? Let's go then. Do you remember what this sign means? That's right, it is a division sign. But do you remember what it means? Very good. Division means sharing a set of objects or dividing a number into equal parts. Very, very good.
Now, for some bonus points on my nice list, go grab your whiteboards and markers.
Look! Here are some elves. The elves want me to share these sweets between them. Let's do that, shall we? Have I divided the sweets fairly between the elves? No, I have not. When we divide a set of objects, we must share it equally so that each one is the same. Let's try that again, shall we? Okay, now we are going to share them fairly between those elves. Isn't that better? I had 10 sweets and I shared them equally between these 10 elves. Each elf got 1 sweet. So, I took 10 sweets and I divided them between 10 elves and each one got 1 sweet. 10 divided by 10 is 1. Isn't that nice? Now, I have 20 sweets to divide between the 10 elves. Remember, I need to share them fairly between these elves. On your whiteboard, write the sum to work out how many sweets each elf will have. Remember, you start with the 20 sweets and you're dividing them between the 10 elves, have you worked it out? Let's see if you're right. Very good. 20 divided by 10 equals 2. 20 sweets shared between 10 elves means they get 2 each. Excellent. Look how many sweets I have now. I have 30 sweets, which I need to share equally between these 10 elves. You know what to do. On your whiteboard, write the sum that you will need to work out how many sweets each elf is going to get. We start with the number of sweets. Remember, we have 30 sweets. And we're dividing them between 10 elves. Excellent work. Here we go. Let's share those sweets. Did you get it? 30 sweets shared between 10 elves is 3. 30 divided by 10 is 3. So if we share 30 sweets between all of these elves, each of them will get 3 sweets. Very well done. Okay. Now we have 40 sweets. Oh my goodness! We need to share 40 sweets between these 10 elves. On your whiteboard, write the sum, which will help you work out how many sweets each elf is going to get. Go on now. Have you worked it out? All right, but just a bit more time. Very good. Okay, let's share these sweets. What sum did you write to show what we just did? That's right. 40 sweets shared between 10 elves means that each elf will get 4 sweets. 40 divided by 10 is 4. Beautifully done. All right, we just have one more. Are you ready? These elves have been such good little elves that I have 50 sweets to share between them. How many will each elf get? Well, on your whiteboard, write the sum that you are going to need to work it out. How quick you are! You're getting better and better. Okay, let's share those sweets. Off they went. Each elf has 5 sweets. So the sum that you wrote was 50 divided by 10 is 5. 50 sweets shared between 10 elves gives them 5 sweets each. How fantastic! You guys are so clever. Very well done.
Keep going this way. You've got this.